Hey, ¿cómo estás? Y bienvenido al canal. El día de hoy estaremos describiendo rutinas que realizamos en nuestro día a día. Cada acción contará con un ejemplo y una imagen como apoyo. Sin más que decir, no olvides dejar un like y suscribirte al canal. Ahora sí, ponte cómodo, relájate que empezaremos a aprender inglés. Go to bed. Go to bed. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. every night. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. every night. Wake up. Wake up. I normally wake up at about 6 a.m. I normally wake up at about 6 a.m. Make the bed. Make the bed. I always make the bed after getting up. I always make the bed after getting up. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Take a shower. Take a shower. I often take a shower before going to sleep. I often take a shower before going to sleep. Brush my hair. Brush my hair. I brush my hair before going to school. I brush my hair before going to school. Get dressed. Get dressed. I always get dressed quickly. I always get dressed quickly. Make dinner. Make dinner. I like to make dinner by myself. I like to make dinner by myself. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I have a huge breakfast on weekends. I have a huge breakfast on weekends. Have lunch. Have lunch. I have lunch at work with my coworkers. I have lunch at work with my coworkers. Have dinner. Have dinner. I have dinner at 6 p.m. every night. I have dinner at 6 p.m. every night. Go to school. Go to school. I go to school with my siblings at 8 a.m. I go to school with my siblings at 8 a.m. Surf the net. Surf the net. I surf the net for almost 4 hours a day. I surf the net for almost 4 hours a day. Play with friends. Play with friends. I play with my best friends at school every day. I play with my best friends at school every day. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I do the laundry once a week. I do the laundry once a week. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. I vacuum the floor on Sundays morning. I vacuum the floor on Sundays morning. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. I put on makeup before going to a party. I put on makeup before going to a party. Wash the car. Wash the car. I wash my car twice a month. I wash my car twice a month. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. I usually go for a walk in the evenings. I usually go for a walk in the evenings. Go out with a friend. Go out with a friend. I rarely go out with my friends. I rarely go out with my friends. Take pictures. Take pictures. I take pictures when I visit a new place. I take pictures when I visit a new place. Play the guitar. Play the guitar. I play the guitar when I feel lonely. I play the guitar when I feel lonely. Play the piano. Play the piano. I play the piano when I am happy and glad. I play the piano when I am happy and glad. Go shopping. Go shopping. I go shopping with my aunt once a month. I go shopping with my aunt once a month. Exercise. Exercise. I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week. Listen to the radio. Listen to the radio. I listen to the radio while driving. I listen to the radio while driving. Drive to work. Drive to work. I drive to work every single day. I drive to work every single day. Get home. Get home. I get home at about 5 p.m. every day. I get home at about 5 p.m. every day. Watch TV. Watch TV. I watch TV for almost 1 hour a day. I watch TV for almost 1 hour a day. Go to work. Go to work. I go to work at 7 a.m. from Monday to Friday. I go to work at 7 a.m. from Monday to Friday. Finish work. Finish work. I finish work at 5 p.m. Then I go home. I finish work at 5 p.m. Then I go home. Listen to music. Listen to music. I love to listen to music all day. I love to listen to music all day. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. I don't like to wash the dishes. I don't like to wash the dishes. Do the housework. Do the housework. I have to do the housework in my days off. I have to do the housework in my days off. Do homework. Do homework. I do homework every day at night. I do homework every day at night. Eat out with friends. Eat out with friends. I eat out with my friends every fortnight. I eat out with my friends every fortnight. Go to church. Go to church. I go to church on Sundays morning. I go to church on Sundays morning. Play pool. Play pool. I play pool with my best friend twice a month. I play pool with my best friend twice a month. Attend classes. Attend classes. I attend classes from Monday to Friday. I attend classes from Monday to Friday. Go to the movies. Go to the movies. I go to the movies with my girlfriend every Saturday. I go to the movies with my girlfriend every Saturday. Drive. Drive. I drive my car when I go to work. I drive my car when I go to work. Feed the dogs. Feed the dogs. I feed my dogs in the morning before going to work. I feed my dogs in the morning before going to work. Text my friends. Text my friends. I text my friends at night after work. I text my friends at night after work. Go to the gym. Go to the gym. I go to the gym when I finish my homework. I go to the gym when I finish my homework. Read a book. Read a book. I like to read books when I have free time. I like to read books when I have free time. Arrive home. Arrive home. I usually arrive home at 6 p.m. every day after work. I usually arrive home at 6 p.m. every day after work. Call my friends. Call my friends. I call my friends when I need help. Ahora lee y escucha este texto y déjame en los comentarios del 1 al 10 qué tanto entendiste. Hi, my name is Gonzalo. I'm a high school student in San Diego, California, and here is what I do on a typical day. In the morning, I always wake up at 6 a.m. I get up and take a quick shower. After that, I get ready for school. I have some breakfast, brush my teeth, and get dressed. My online classes are from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. After school, I go to the gym, do homework, and text my friends. After dinner, I watch some TV before going to bed. My days are never exactly the same, but that's what I normally do on weekdays. Y esa fue la clase del día de hoy, espero que les haya gustado mucho, que hayan podido apuntar todas las rutinas mencionadas en el video y que hayas podido sacar un 10 en la prueba que acabas de realizar. Sin más que decir, nos vemos hasta una siguiente clase. Bye bye and see you next class.